All right, XRP Army, welcome back to the channel. We've got some major news to discuss here. So Circle USDC is currently in, quote, informal talks to sell itself, USDC, the second largest stablecoin in all of crypto, could potentially be selling itself to two massive bidders right now, one or the other. One is Coinbase, the other is Ripple. This is being reported right now by Fortune. It's breaking news just this afternoon. Keep in mind, these rumors were swirling a little while back, and then we brought it back here on the channel. And I said that I had some sources who said, hey, this deal is not off the table. There could be still some smoke where there's fire, or excuse me, fire where there's smoke. And now Fortune reporting that this could be real. A lot of people came at me, said, oh, my sources and blah, blah, blah. His name is Larry Lundy, and he is somebody who avidly, is coming into our X spaces all the time. It's somebody I know and trust. And this is still, not guaranteed, but now you guys can see that I'm not just throwing stuff out at the wall and seeing what's sticking. When I come on here and say that, hey, we're hearing something, we're seeing something, there is some substance to it. So again, that's why you subscribe to the channel. Really do appreciate you guys being with me here on the journey. But I want to get into the story here, because if this is true, this is absolutely huge for Ripple's stablecoin strategy moving forward. Now, they already have RLUSD. A lot of people asking, what would they do with USDC? We're going to get into that in this video. So again, hit the like button right now. Subscribe if you haven't already. Let's get into it and talk a little bit about what's going on here this afternoon and the news that we just saw. So here it is, Circle's USDC in informal talks to sell itself to Coinbase or Ripple. This is per Fortune reporting this. And I wanted to bring you guys all the details. I want to give you guys my thoughts, and we have some other things to add on to this story as well. So the cryptocurrency market could see a major shakeup take place with some of the biggest brands in the industry. USDC stablecoin issuer Circle moving forward with its plans for an IPO, as Coinbase and Ripple both reportedly in talks to acquire the company, according to a Fortune report. Circle Internet Financial had filed paperwork back in April to see its initial public offering plans finally come to fruition. However, that has come into question as talks about purchasing the company have heated up in recent weeks. Again, 3-4 weeks ago, we heard the chatter that Ripple offered $5 billion, upwards to $5 billion for the company. They were kind of squashed, but again, a week after that, we reported, hey, there's still something here. There's still something brewing. Now, all eyes are on what the stablecoin firm could do next and what either move would mean for the cryptocurrency sector at large. So I want to get into some specifics here, because these rumors were just that. And there it was right there, at least $5 billion, according to sources. The firm is looking for at least $5 billion, which is the value of its proposed IPO, speaking of Circle. So, quote, here's a quote here from someone who talked to Fortune. If Coinbase wanted to buy them, Circle would sell in a heartbeat. Things change week by week, a second source noted in regard to the ongoing negotiations. Circle's long targeted an IPO that has been filed again here in April, just last month. That plan is yet to set terms, though, with uncertainty now about its possible approval. Both Circle and Coinbase have a working relationship. We know that Coinbase utilizes USDC, the stablecoin backed by Circle, as their premier stablecoin on the platform. And this is, again, just breaking this afternoon. That joint venture between the two came to an end in 2023, but there's still something big brewing here. And Coinbase, because they've had a relationship with Circle in the past, are in talks. But the big one here that I want to talk about is Ripple, because Ripple is jockeying and vying for position here too. XRP's market cap, guys, 139 billion. This is a massive company. People forget just how big this US-based company is out of San Francisco. Ripple, the company behind XRP. Yes, they haven't been able to operate, but these companies that are, vying for position, XRP is way bigger than the market cap of Coinbase. Okay, way bigger than the market cap of some of the other big crypto companies that are publicly traded, like Robinhood, Coinbase, even some of the other ones more attached to Bitcoin mining, Ripple has liquidity. That's really what I'm saying here. They have the ability to do it. They have the cash. They can make the move if it's agreed upon. So we'll definitely be following this story, but I wanted to come on here and bring it to you guys first. But what would this mean for XRP if this goes through? Well, I don't know exactly. I've heard some different, possibilities with Ripple stablecoin, RLUSD, and Circle, and utilizing those stablecoins in different ways, but also helping provide liquidity for the other, right? So they would kind of be working together, but also serving different purposes. But first things first, we'll see what happens with the. We'll see if Coinbase or Ripple actually go through and acquire this, and then obviously we'll continue to get more details on this for you guys as things unfold. So appreciate you all for watching as always. And if you guys are interested in checking out all my links down below, I've got some places you can come trade with me. Also, XT Algos, my trading indicator. If you're looking to take advantage the next time the market goes parabolic, you want to have this in your toolbox. Last time XRP did a 6X, everybody who was an XT Algo member was printing big time because our buy signal flashed at 55 cents on the charts, went up over $3. And a lot of people saying that it could happen again, especially once retail comes back into the fold. So don't miss out on that opportunity. But more importantly, most importantly, subscribe to this channel because this is where we break a lot of news, give you guys a lot of thoughts, a lot of things to consider. It's going to help you make better decisions with your portfolio. Appreciate you all for watching. We'll see you. Bye.